Good day, learners. Let's quickly do this question. Question number 9 of DBE, May, June 2026. This is a sub for this year. An electrolytic cell is set up for electrolysis of concentrated, that is electrolysis of concentrated copper chloride solution. So once you see solution, you must know that there is water. Okay, so the copper chloride in water will separate to form copper ion. So we have copper ion here, we have chloride ion here, we also have that water. So we have three substances there. Two of them will react, one of them will be a spectator ion, will not react. Now let's quickly analyze the diagram before questions. We have this side is negative and this side is positive. This is a negative electrode, this one is a negative electrode, negative, this one is a positive. So the positive electrode attracts the negative ion. So we have this negative ion, which is chlorine. Then the negative electrode attracts the positive. So we have this one, which is positive. Remember, there is also water there. Water can produce hydrogen. Gas can also produce oxygen gas. So oxygen is only produced at the anode. Oxygen is produced at the anode. Hydrogen is produced at the cathode. So you need to be careful of that. The following, okay, now which one will react first? The chloride ion will go straight to this one, that is Cl. Will be formed here. Cl will be formed as gas bubbles because chlorine is higher reactive than both of azote. Then what type of electrode is this one? Since E positive anode, this is the anode, meaning that oxidation takes place here, meaning that the product that will be formed is Cl, as well as oxygen can be formed there, because until oxygen will be formed, can be formed if the water react. Oxygen will be formed at the anode, okanye hydrogen will be formed at the cathode. So this one is negative electrode, that is cathode. This is the cathode, this one. So we cathode kwenzeka a reduction reaction, where reduction reaction takes place, meaning that if water is a reactor par, hydrogen will be produced here as a gas. Now this one, say sigqibile ngayo reactor, we are done with this one. Share Z2. Kwezi2, which one will undergo reduction? Sorry. Which means zona zoyi2 they compete ngoku undergo or reduction reaction zoyi2. But the one that will go to the cathode, the one that will undergo reduction reaction, is a stronger oxidizing agent. So we are looking for stronger oxidizing agent between the copper ion and H2O. Remember, lo H2O sitha ngayo ke ngulo bezwa kwi-cathode, lwakhupha hydrogen. Let's quickly go to the table and see which one will react there, the copper or water. Then see, classify with table. The table is very busy here. So the table, now what will table? Where is copper? Lo water simfunayo lwafomishwa hydrogen. Where is copper? Here is the copper. is the copper. Okay, so i-arrow ijonge ezantsi ngapha kwelicala, i-arrow kwelicala ijonge phezulu. Lijonge phezulu ithetha ngo-reducing agent, lijonge ezantsi ithetha ngo-oxidizing agent. Ithi lena i-arrow engezantsi is a stronger oxidizing agent, which means copper ion is a stronger oxidizing agent. So which means sesiyayazi ke ngezo-react by copper ion. So apha kuzofomisheka i-copper apha, a layer of copper will be formed here. So the copper will undergo reduction reaction. So xa uyibhala ke nge-copper, xa i-undergo reduction uzoyibhala njengoba injiya kwi-table, because sezingu-reduction already ezaa nto zibhalwe phaa. Uchlorine yena uzomqala ngapha xa umkhuphela uye ngapha, which means uzoba ngu-2 Cl minus to form Cl2 plus 2 electron. So this one was competing with water 2H2O plus 2 electron to form hydrogen, because no formation of hydrogen now, plus 2OH minus. This one is competing with water or base of formation oxygen, that is 2H2O to form oxygen plus 4H plus 4 electrons. So oxygen will be formed with oxidation site, what are the oxidation reaction. Let's go to the questions. We are done with the analysis. So we have two reaction kwelcala ebezingenzeka, nalapho we have two reactions ebezingenzeka, but because chlorine is high reactive here, high reactive, this one yiyo ke ngoku ezo-react. Then because this one is a stronger, it is a stronger reduce oxidizing agent, that is OA, so izo-reactor lenga-react. Okay, I think siphambi. Define the term electrolysis. Electrolysis is a chemical process where electrical energy is converted to chemical energy, Then to write two balanced write down a balanced equation for the two reaction that will take place at the anode. So we anode now the reaction that will take place at the anode, which means this is our 9.2, but yeyiphi yona eyenzekileyo yile, because chlorine is high reactive. Write down the name of formula of a substance that is produced at Y. This is Y. The product that is produced at Y. The product, actual product that is produced, it is a chlorine, not oxygen. So the product is a chlorine, not oxygen. Then kuthiwa ke ngupha solution of zinc iodide ZnI2 is added, which means apha ngoku we have a new electrolyte which is ZnI2. So uZn uzoformisha i-ions pha, abe ngu-Zn2 plus, u-iodine abe ngu-iodide ion. So iodine uhamba no-chlorine, they compete, these two they compete we-anode as a reducing agent. Then uZn ukhompyutha no-copper pha kwi-cathode, ziyakhompyutha kwi-cathode as oxidizing agent. So yeyiphi ke ngoku ezo-react? Let's start with, kuthiwa ke ngawutsho ku-X, yeyiphi ezokwenzeka pha ku-X. Apha ku-X yintoni ezokwenzeka apha ezophuma i-product? The product that will be formed ku-X is either ngu-Zn or ngu-Cu. Masiyojonga which one is a stronger oxidizing agent kwitable. Which one is a stronger oxidizing agent? Kwizazoyi-2. So we have Zn, here is Zn, we have Cu, down here there is Cu. So which one is a stronger reducing agent? Zn is a stronger reducing agent, but Zn2 plus is a weaker oxidizing agent. Let's go back to the question. We are looking for oxidizing agent. Which one is a stronger oxidizing agent? Cu2 plus is a stronger oxidizing agent. Which means the answer the answer here is Cu will be formed there. Cu, the product that will be formed, it will be Cu. Okay. Pha ku-Y, remember Y ezizoyi-2 ziyakompyutha ngo-Y, siyojonga the stronger reducing agent. So let's go to the table. So we have chlorine. So we have this one. We have chlorine. Where are you, my friend? Chlorine. So between the two, reducing agent. Xa ujonga ezantsi ngapha ngu-oxidizing agent, but focus yethu la. Which one is a stronger? Ilingentla, because arijonge phezulu. So which means this one will form the iodine. Will form the iodine. Eyona nto izofomisheka phaa ngochlorine ngoku izoba yi-iodine, because iodine is a stronger reducing agent, iodide ion. So the answer here is I2. I2 will be formed instead of what? Cl2. Because iodide ion is a stronger reducing agent than Cl minus. So specifically leya.